Hello guys, welcome back, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can redirect your website from HTTP to HTTPS, because nowadays I think most of the web browser are showing the insecure on your website if their HTTPS is not active. Okay, so if their SSL is added, then you can see their connection is secure showing. Okay, so I hope you already added the SSL on your website, but in some cases the redirection is not added on the website. So if you open your website with HTTP, then all the pages will open with HTTP, and if you open with HTTPS, then that will also open with HTTPS. So today we will add the redirection code in htaccess file, by which your all the traffic will redirect to your HTTPS website. So for that, first you need to log into your cPanel account. Okay, and after login cPanel account, you need to click on the file manager. Okay, under files, there's file manager. When you click on the file manager, you can see here some files folders are showing. So you just need to go on the public HTML. So after that you need to go on the htaccess. Okay, some cases the htaccess file not showing. So for that you need to click on the setting icon here, right top corner, and when you click on the setting, you can see here the show hidden files dot files is checked. Okay, so if they are not checked, then you can see the htaccess file and other dot file are not showing. Okay, so you just need to click on the show hidden files, just save, and you can see now the htaccess file is showing. Okay, so just hit click on the htaccess file and right click, then you can see edit option is showing. Just click here, and here click on the edit button. This will open in uh, new tab, and you can see I have added the code. Okay, I have given the code on the website link. Okay, you can add the code like this. Okay, so you can add this code either on top of the htaccess file or bottom. So I have added in bottom. Let me paste here. Okay, and let's check, and if we refresh this, then you can see website is working fine. So sometime in changes in htaccess file may cause some issue in your website, so check that after saving the htaccess file. Okay, to check that our website is redirecting or not. Okay, so here some tools like header response checker. Okay, so let me copy this one, and you can add the http protocol. Okay, and check the header, and you can see this response code is 301, means it is redirected to https. So also 301 redirection is best for the SEO purpose. Okay, so I hope guys you can add the code in your htaccess to redirect all your traffic to https. Okay, so if you have any issue, you can just leave a comment under the video, and thank you for watching the video. And if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.